Think about this. 25% of children in the U.S. will witness or experience a traumatic event before age 4. That's 1/4 of our classrooms. And 4 of 10 children in the U.S. say they've experienced some type of physical assault in the past year. Trauma is becoming a major issue in our classrooms. For many of us, we're struggling with how to work effectively with our trauma students. In this workshop, we'll provide specific strategies to help you be informed, accountable, and successful in supporting students with trauma. We'll look at ways to change the emotional state of students with trauma, how to approach a child of trauma physically, socially, and emotionally, and how to establish replacement behaviors for trauma students. Won't you join me, along with my colleagues Ruby Butler and Jan Holzapfel at Oak Trace Elementary on November 19th to help you with strategies to support students with trauma. For more information and to register, go to joyofclass.org.